How do you reduce the motion sickness on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly how you can do this. If this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the thing that you are referring to has been quite recently added to the iPhone, and it is part of the settings. When you proceed to the accessibility indicated by the blue icon right here, you'll have the ability to proceed to the motion, and in there you have the vehicle motion cues. So personally, I keep it turned on automatically, right? So this will detect when I'm moving in a car or bus or whatever, and it's going to show like these moving dots on the screen, which make it easier for me to like look at the screen, and it just avoids the motion stuff which could be triggered with it. Or you can also just enable it or keep it turned on as such, and you can see it right away that it appears even when you're not moving. So probably the automatic option is the best, and you can also customize the appearance, so you can make the pattern dynamic or regular, and you can also choose the color and make the dots larger, or make more of the dots appear, so you have like some controls over it. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if that is the thing you had in mind, and if you managed to find it on your phone. If not, just make sure that you are running the latest version of iOS, because it's possible that you have an older version running and there it wasn't available before. So just make sure you update it. That's generally a good idea. So that's what you need to do. Let me know what you think about this video below. Share your thoughts and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorial. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.